Y'all need anything, bro?
A reckless driver in a Chevrolet recklessly overtook without considering the truck. As a result, their car lost control and the rear end was damaged.
Like scrunched up. Anybody behind us?
Don't hit us.
What the?
Ai đi xích nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ? Sẽ là lầu lầu tiếp mẹ.
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
एंट्री तो नहीं बड़ी खड़ी है वीडियो तो मर्जी करने वाला होगा लंबा रास्ता हो जाएगा बाकी है नहीं तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक लगी नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. The tower trim.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
downloading a calorie tracker onto your phone. So really, there's no excuse that you shouldn't.
Он ближе в 2 раза. Блядь!
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь! Стоять нахуй!
Ой, сука, все.
Пидоры, блядь!
как это он так
Любимая, нам не позволят это.
Oh!
Что это?
Ах ты, блядь, сука!
Oh, there's an accident. Just they changed lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my God. Oh my.
Former church for the big money for those boys. Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened?
Oh my
I
God.
think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah.
Thank God. Oh my. Holy sh. Holy. I have the footage of it. Pull over. You can.
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route. Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, well, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my fucking God.
The inner sea was a rocky, desolate, barren island, facing the large structure.
It's track, right? Knowledge is powerful. What's your anything never drove power? Yeah, some people don't like the fact that this is it's hard for the libertarians to be.
What their experiences are, but he's insinuating that they didn't do a good job because they were DEI hires. How many?
Тихо. Бляха.
Let's Gaza was in nine. Spanec. Shurekov. Why? Arthur, head.
Впереди несколько
несколько лежачих полицейских.
Senator Bernie Sanders addressed his supporters last night from his home in Vermont. NPR's Sam Sanders says the senator spoke about Hillary Clinton and...
Fortunate to still be able to walk, albeit limping. For your safety and that of others, never run a red light. 19 people were injured, but fortunately all survived. Cold tires and full throttle do not mix, so be careful.
Пиздец, авария.
The driver didn't have a license and clearly lacked the necessary skills. Avoid driving during storms. Accidents can happen out of nowhere. Slow down when it's raining, even if you're driving a supercar. After performing a pit maneuver, the police car accidentally went down the slope. The two criminals were caught and charged with 7 counts. That sharp curve, the driver clearly wasn't familiar with this road.